Hey everybody, so it's gonna be a little bit noisy because we are back. We're gonna be testing the S7 MIG 200. I bought this on Amazon. Was about $108 shipped and everything. And the only thing I've noticed, I don't have instructions on like where to set it up at because I'm new to this. First time I'm gonna try. This is simple. Okay, no brainer right there to put the cable and all that through there. But nothing on the amperage that I need to use to weld this because I'm gonna practice on this because I wanna weld stainless steel on my motorcycle. But I inserted this all the way to here. I'm sure this is, you just bring this down like this and then you're gonna and screw it down as much as you need, I'm thinking. Just to see, I think that's good enough. It's just gonna send the cable. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna just record and then we're gonna try to weld this thing right here. I'm with my boy Lester who's helping me. And we'll test it out. Hopefully we don't blow up. This baby right here, bring this converter from 120 to 220 because it is a 240, I believe. So you can plug it in 240 or you got the converter there, 120. I hope you guys can hear my voice. That's a lot of noise. Now in the back there is for gas. So this is gas and gasless. All right, so you connect gas hose through there and all that. You could tick weld. Of course, you just gotta buy the thing. I'm forgetting my English today. Sorry, but you could buy the tick and tick weld with gas. You can MIG weld with gas or gasless. I am gonna flex core. This is the flex core weld. That's what I'm gonna use with this. And again, I'm new to this, so just bear with us. And I don't even know if this is all the way in. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Not sure if I gotta remove this to put the cable through first, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Entonces tengo que conectarlo para pasarle el cable, si no me equivoco.
No, que tiene que recoger un poquito. Ahí está el alambre. Y eso que ese es el alambre que el donde suelta.
Yeah, ya está. So I'm waiting for the cable. No va a tirar eso. Ve, porque está ahí. El alambre está pegado. There we go, my people. So hopefully y'all can see it. I don't know if it's blurry or not, but the cable came out. Okay, so let me shut this off just because I don't understand much about welding, so I'm gonna shut it off for now. And let's put the nozzle and all that. Voy a ponerle el conductor. Dale, man. Vamos a meterle el conductor. Safety. Safety, of course. Lo comenzamos de abajo. No sé cuánto voltaje con él. Ahí está puesto. Dice voltio 3 volt, negativo 3. Estamos en 23 amperes. Ahí sí.
Yo se lo comí. Se lo parto. ¿Y le diste el gatillo o no le diste?
Sí, le diste, ¿verdad?
Yo, qué bien.
Yo enterré nada más. Déjame tirarlo un poquito. Ay, I'm gonna increase it a little more. Vamos a subírselo a... Diantre, bro, después esto pega. Pero esto es lo que yo digo. Mira que lo está comiendo todavía. I got it at 30 amps and it's eating it. It's too powerful. I reduced it to 10 amps, man. It's eating the little thin steel. Se lo está comiendo, ¿no? En 10. 10 amps and it's still eating that, and this is not stainless steel, it's eating, it's a thin plate, so at 10 amps it's still eating it. And the voltage is like -3, so maybe I got something wrong. Ah, el cepillo fue lo que me pasó. Oh, aquí con eso. Mira que lo comió. Mira, como pega como quiera. Se lo come conmigo. Yo lo voy a bajar 5. Loco, pero da más 10 amperes, bro. Una máquina, imagínate a 200. Tiene que estar agarrando lo que la está comiendo. Yo le voy a seguir haciendo los puntos ya. Porque hasta ahí está agarrando. Tengo que darle puntico, ya usted. Con puntico, mira. Ve.
No,
Sí,
pero
sí.
ahora está agarrando en los dos. Trata de hacerle el cordón. Haz un pedacito del cordón a ver.
Entero.
Sí, el cordón.
Vamos a ver, yo creo que es que la fuerza cuando lo dejo pegado. Mira, le voy a...
¿Ves lo que te digo? Porque había que limpiar las dos piezas. Estaba haciendo contacto en la latica fina nada más, por eso la estaba
Y no
limpiando.
la-
Al hacer contacto en las dos piezas,
las dos.
divide la potencia a la mitad, ¿entiendes? Estaba toda la
Pues-
potencia en la latica y la repetí.
Pues
Hay que
dámele por
limpiar,
ahí.
hay que limpiar completo.
No completo, porque yo le voy a dar un par de puntos.
Ya.
Ahí me lo pone ahí. Se lo voy a echar por ahí.
Porque está, parece que no está bien pegado.
No, no.
Espérate. Pégame más. Era la corriente. Yo creo
No,
que
pero suéltalo, pégalo, tú lo puedes abrir. Tú lo muerdes, aquí tú dándole vuelta tú lo abres para que lo dejes pegado solo.
A ver.
Y le das vuelta a eso hasta que lo puedas acá. Ahí tiene el hoyo. No lo saque entero porque era demasiado.
Ahí está.
Que te ponga un poquito. Bueno.
Espérate, mira, lo estaba dejando pegadito.
Vamos a parar porque lo haremos. Ya lo echamos primer. Se ve feo, sí. Lo bueno de la motor es como un... Alright guys, so I gotta tell you, it's noisy. I'm gonna probably be adding music or something, but it's ugly, like I said, first time welder, but this thing is very powerful. This area was the best right here for me, for some reason. So maybe at 30 amps here, I completely missed them, and all I did was make a hole. I made holes on the sheet metal. Here it didn't do nothing basically. Here I got a few good points. I got a few good points right there, which is good. My best one was here. But that thing is on there regardless. So it just takes practice. First time ever. I've never welded in my life. First time. This machine did a pretty good job, man. So I can't complain. For $108 and you're able to buy the tip to TIG weld, and you know you go at the gas and all that to it. I can't complain. And then it brings this. I bought the gloves separate, you know, so pretty good, man. Pretty good, my man, for the S7. Gotta give it a thumbs up right now. We're gonna check when I do the stainless steel on the motorcycle, which I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to weld just some small, it's a small portion, it's not much, but I'm gonna try to weld it and see how it goes. I did buy the flex core that's stainless for stainless steel, so this is not it, but I do have it in the house. So there you go. Just wanted to show you what this machine can do, and it's freaking powerful, man. I mean, I had it at 4 amps, and this thing was tearing through this thing. So this good so far. I'll keep you updated if anything.